Modern Age MCQs, Physics, second year, unit number 11, Electrostatics, part 4. The dimensional formula, square bracket m l square t power minus 3 a power minus 1 is for option A, electric potential, B, electric charge, C, electric field, D, electric flux. The key is electric potential. Correct option is A. Reason. Formula V is equal to W divided by Q, work divided by charge. The dimension formula for work W is square bracket M L square T power minus 2, and dimension formula for charge is square bracket AT. Therefore, the dimensional formula for potential difference is square bracket M L square T power minus 2 divided by square bracket AT, which is equal to M L square T power minus 3 A power minus 1. Hence, the dimensional formula square bracket m l square t power minus 3 a power minus 1 is for electric potential. What is the SI unit of electric flux? Option A, Newton meter square per coulomb. Option B, Newton meter square per coulomb square. Option C, Newton meter coulomb square. Option D, Newton meter coulomb. The key is Newton meter square per coulomb. The correct option is A. Reason. Formula phi is equal to E dot A, which can be written as EA cos theta. The SI unit of E is Newton per coulomb, and SI unit of area is square meter, while cos theta is dimensionless. Hence, the unit of electric flux is Newton per coulomb into meter square or Newton meter square per coulomb. The maximum electric flux through an area will be if the angle with electric field is option A, theta is equal to 135 degree, B, theta is equal to 90 degree, C, theta is equal to 45 degree, D, theta is equal to 0 degree. The key is theta is equal to 0 degree. Correct option is B. Reason. The formula for electric flux is phi equal to E dot A equal to EA cos theta. If E and A are given, then the electric flux depends on cos theta. The electric flux is maximum, which is phi equal to EA. If cos theta is maximum, that is cos theta is equal to 1, because the maximum value of cos theta is 1, or theta is equal to 0 degree, because cos 0 is equal to 1. Hence, the electric flux is maximum if theta is equal to 0 degree. The electric flux through an area is 0 if the angle with the electric field is A option 135 degree, B theta is equal to 90 degree, C theta is equal to 45 degree, D theta is equal to 0 degree, K 90 degree. The correct option is B. Reason. Formula for electric flux is phi is equal to E dot A, which is equal to EA cos theta. If E and A are given, then the electric flux depends on cos theta. The electric flux is minimum if minimum value of phi is equal to 0 if cos theta is minimum, that is cos theta is equal to 0 or theta is equal to 90 degree, because cos 90 is 0. Hence, the electric flux is 0 at theta is equal to 90 degree. What will be the value of electric flux through an area of 1 square meter when dipped in an electric field of 10 Newton per coulomb at an angle of 60 degree? Option A, 11 Newton meter square per coulomb. B, 10 Newton meter square per coulomb. C, 5 Newton meter square per coulomb. D, 1 Newton meter square per coulomb. The key is 5 Newton meter square per coulomb. Therefore, the correct option is C. The reason: the equation of electric flux is phi equal to Ea cos theta. Therefore, phi is equal to 10 into 1 into cos 60, because E is equal to 10 Newton per coulomb, A is equal to 1 square meter, cos 60, theta is 60 degree, or the flux is equal to 10 into 1 into 0.5, because cos 60 is equal to 0.5. Therefore, flux is equal to 5 Newton meter square per coulomb. Hence, the value of electric flux is 5 Newton meter square per coulomb. The work done on a charge plus q between 2 points of potential difference 1 volt against an electric field is equal to: option A, 1 V into Q, option B, 1 V square into Q, option C, 1 V Q square, option D, 1 V square Q square. The key is 1 V into Q. Therefore, the correct option is A. Reason: the potential difference between 2 points is defined as the work done on a unit positive charge in displacing it from one point to another against the electric field. Therefore, 1 V is equal to the work done on a unit charge, and the work done on charge plus Q is W is equal to 1 V into Q. Hence, the work done is equal to 1 VQ. Which one is the dimensional formula of V into Q? Option A, square bracket M L square T power minus 1. B, square bracket M L square T power minus 2. C, square bracket M L T power minus 1. B, square bracket M L square T power 2. The key is square bracket M L square T power minus 2. Therefore, the correct option is B. Reason: the dimensional formula of V is equal to the dimensional formula of work divided by dimensional formula of charge. That is, square bracket M L square T power minus 2 is the dimensional formula of work divided by AT is the dimensional formula of the charge, and the dimensional formula of charge is AT. Therefore, the dimensional formula of V into Q is square bracket. The dimensional formula of V, which is square bracket ml square T power minus 2 divided by AT into square bracket AT, equal to ml square T power minus 2. Hence, the dimensional formula of V into Q is square bracket ml square T power minus 2. The product 1 by 2 V into Q is a physical quantity with SI unit: A, Newton per meter second square, B, Newton meter square per second, C. Newton per meter per second square, D. Newton meter square per second square. The key is Newton meter square per second square. Therefore, the correct option is D. Reason. In the physical quantity 1 by 2, V into Q, 1 by 2 has no unit. V is measured in joule per coulomb and Q in coulomb. Thus, SI unit of physical quantity 1 by 2, V into Q is equal to joule per coulomb into coulomb, which is equal to joule, J. And joule is the unit of work done, and the unit of work is Newton meter square per second square. It is the SI unit of the energy as well as the work. Therefore, the equation 1 by 2 V into Q is the formula for electrostatic energy. Hence, the product 1 by 2 VQ is a physical quantity with SI units m meter square per second square. The electron volt EV is a unit of energy. The energy of a particle of 1 electron volt in joule is option A 1.6 into 10 power minus 19, option B 6.67 into 10 power minus 27, option C 9.11 into 10 power minus 31, option D 6.63 into 10 power minus 34. The key is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Therefore, the correct option is A. Reason: 1 electron volt is the energy acquired by an electron when it is allowed to move from one point to another in electric field with potential difference of 1 volt. Therefore, 1 electron volt is equal to 1 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 C into joule per coulomb, or 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joule. Hence, the electron volt EV is a unit of energy, and 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joule. A charge of 0.2 coulomb is allowed to move freely from one point to another with potential difference of 500 volts. It requires the kinetic energy. Option A 500 joule, B 250 joule, C 100 joule, D 50 joule. The key is 100 joule. Therefore, the correct option is C. Reason: the kinetic energy acquired by a charge is the product of the charge and the potential difference through which it is falling. Therefore, the kinetic energy acquired by charge Q is equal to V into Q, which is equal to 500 into 0.2, which is equal to 100 joule. Hence, the kinetic energy of charge is 100 joule.